Hi everyone, welcome back. You've probably heard of the term mindful eating or mindful nutrition before, but if you're not familiar with mindful eating practices and how they can benefit your overall health, more specifically your gut health, this video is a great starting point for you. Mindful nutrition is a lifestyle approach that really focuses on being present and engaged during your meals and paying attention to how the food makes you feel. The holiday season is an excellent time to adopt mindful eating practices, as this is a time that we tend to overindulge and have feelings of guilt around food. Mindful eating can help you enjoy your holiday favorites while not becoming overly full or feeling guilty for eating what you want. It can also positively impact your overall health and gut health as well. I'm Katie Bailey. I'm a gut health dietitian at Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help individuals improve and resolve their bothersome gut issues. If you're interested in learning more about gut health, we've linked our free guide, 5 Ways to Improve Your Gut Health, below in the description box. Okay, let's get started on today's topic. So what does it mean to eat mindfully? Like I mentioned before, mindfully means being present in the moment, listening to your body's signals, and eating for enjoyment and nourishment. It's also about developing a healthier relationship with food. It encourages you to eat foods that feel good to the body, but also allows for indulgence in moderation, which can be really helpful during the festive season. Mindful eating can help you from overeating because it's making you aware of your hunger cues as well as your fullness cues. You learn to eat when you are genuinely hungry and stop when you are satisfied, not when you're to the point where you're uncomfortably full. When you practice mindful eating, you tend to choose healthier food options because you're more aware of what you're eating and how that food affects your body, which tends to lead to a preference of more whole, nutrient-dense foods. There are 3 mindful eating principles I want to talk about today. The first is awareness and respect for your body's signals. This means that you're fully present in the moment, paying attention to your food, paying attention to your hunger and satiety cues, and how the food makes you feel. This means limiting distractions so that you're not mindlessly eating, and then making adjustments to your food based on how that food makes you feel. The second principle is non-judgment, which means that there's no deemed good or bad foods, and instead you learn to make food choices based on what your body needs or wants. You learn to appreciate all foods and enjoy them without feeling guilty or shame. As you tune into how food makes you feel, you may realize that there are some foods that make your gut hurt. And instead of calling it a bad food, you can simply accept that some foods you just don't react well to. And you may want to limit that food in order to help improve the way you feel during the day. The last principle is balance. This just means it's not about depriving yourself or restricting yourself. It's about finding a balance that works for you. So how can you maintain mindful eating during the holidays and in the process improve gut health? The holidays are often associated with an abundance of food. It's easy to overeat and lose track of what you're eating and how much you're eating, which can be stressful on the gut and lead to feelings of guilt. Mindful eating can help you really slow down and really take time to enjoy your food as well as properly digest it, which is going to help relieve some of that digestive discomfort and promote a healthier gut. So here are a few mindful eating habits that you can incorporate into the holiday season. Before a meal, you can take a few deep breaths to help your body tune into its internal cues and set a calming tone for the meal. Being in a calm state while you eat really helps to promote better digestion of your food. A breathing technique that you could try is something called box breathing to help you get in that calmer state before your meal. And this would look like inhaling for 4 counts through your nose, holding it for 4 counts, exhaling through your mouth for 4 counts, and then holding for 4 counts. So it would look like this. Another thing you want to do is limit distractions. Shut off the TV and really just focus on your meal so that you don't eat mindlessly. And lastly, as you eat, pay attention to what you're eating. Take small bites, chew your food slowly, put your fork down between bites to make yourself slow down. Really take the time to savor your food. Eating slowly and chewing your food properly is going to not only prevent you from overeating, but it's also going to help in digestion as well. Slowing down when eating can help to activate saliva and enzymes that are needed to break down your food. Just looking at your food can actually activate the enzyme amylase in your mouth. So what does a healthy plate look like for the holidays? Well, mindful eating, like we said, is not about restricting foods or avoiding certain foods. It's about giving your body what it wants and needs. So feel free to indulge in your favorite holiday foods, but consider adding in some healthier options as well. So balance during the holidays are key. Enjoy what you love, but adding foods that are going to also nourish your body and make you feel good. So these are going to be things like quality meats and healthy fats, tons of fruits and vegetables, whole grains. And by doing this, in the process, you're also going to provide your body with the right kinds of foods to promote gut health as well. To wrap up our topic for today, adopting mindful eating might seem challenging in the beginning, but once you understand the principles behind it and you practice it more often, you'll find that eventually it is just going to become part of your natural routine. You'll start to see significant improvements in your relationship with food, and you'll start to see food or meals as an opportunity to nourish your mind and your body. By slowing down, savoring your food, truly taking time to enjoy it, you're going to not only improve digestion, but you're going to reduce overeating, and then in the process, improve your overall health. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more nutrition videos. Let us know your mindful eating strategies, or if you have any questions about nutrition during the holidays. If you're interested in working with our clinic, you can click the link below in the description box to schedule an initial appointment. We do take insurance, and we have more information about that on our website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.